Tell me about Ukraine and what Biden's would do. He showed up there the other day. Like, how does this play out? And what do you see when you see this war in Ukraine? And obviously, we're sending lots of support there. Putin's, of course, doubling down. People are worried about World War III. Our drones are being taken down in the Black Sea. Things are escalating and potentially getting dangerous. Our mutual friend, Jim Rickards, is saying, you really don't want to play around with things like this because, these are two nuclear-powered states, and it only takes one.
Well, again, it goes back to Jordan Peterson, college professor who spoke out. Now he's getting richer because he spoke out, thank God, which is a good sign. But as he says, you think tough men are dangerous? Wait till you see what damage weak men can do. And this guy Biden is the weakest president I think you and I have ever seen. He will sell his soul for a penny. I mean, his son, the reason he was in Ukraine is because I think his son Hunter Biden was his bag man trying to bring the money back. You go, well, no, he would never do that. Oh, give me a break, you guys. Grow up. Grow up. The worst thing about it is I think we're all into World War III. But as you know, the Ukraine is like the breadbasket of the world. So what comes next is after the financial collapse comes starvation. And one of the things I really liked about the U.S. Marine Corps and their pilot training was they taught us how to fight with no food. And within like 2 or 3 days, you're crazy. They threw us in the swamps of Florida, wintertime. It was like -5 degrees. We're running around with no food. And within like 2 days, we were crazy. I forgot who was my friends. I got, you're just delirious because food makes you nuts. So I think what they're going to do is create starvation and then high, inflation. And then we have anarchy, we have revolution. And the great American empire comes down. And we have the weakest president in history. This guy Biden, who sells his soul to the highest bidder. As we all know that, oh no, he didn't do that. Well, give me a break. They think his son Hunter was doing. He's the bag man. You know what I mean?
Robert, we saw the premier of China meet with Putin recently.
Oh, God.
I know. When you think of China, what comes to mind? I mean, what are the threats we need to worry about? Do you see a nation that is literally going to railroad right over what America has created? Is it only a matter of time before they globalize and dominate?
Let me be politically correct, okay?
That'd be a first.
Or dad. No, I'll be as kind as I can. Or dad was Japanese. Rich dad was Chinese. I'll just leave it at that.
I didn't know that.
And I had a gold mine. This behind me is my cash flow board game. And the reason it's a board game is I learned everything playing Monopoly from my rich dad. 4 greenhouses, tax-free exchange, red hotels. I own red hotels. I own all that. But on the fast track out there is where the real money is made here. So the object of the game is get from the rat race, which is going to school, and get on the fast track out there. So your greatest asset's your mind, but they won't teach you that at school. They teach you to get a job, save money, buy a house, get out of debt, pay your taxes. That's brainwashing. So for those who want to change their mind, that's why I have the cash flow board game, because as Maria Montessori said, one of the greatest educational entrepreneurs, Maria Montessori, is what the hand does, the mind remembers. So with that, my wife and I created this cash flow board game. And you actually have to understand this here. This is called a financial statement. As my rich dad said to me, he says, my banker's never asked me for my report card yet. My banker wants to see my financial statement. So Brian, if I walked up to you and I said, hey, Brian, I went to Harvard. I have a degree in political science. Can I have a $10 million loan? What would you say? No. Show me the financials.
So Jim Rickards has just recorded a video that's not available to anyone in the public, and he's going to be talking about how this upcoming recession is going to be fast, it's going to be bloody, it's going to be nasty. But at the same time, he's going to show you how you can position yourself to profit from all of this chaos. Now, we've made this video only available to our viewers. Go go to londonreal.tv/Jim. Watch that immediately. I can't say enough good things about Jim Rickards. He understands the global economic system better than any guest I've ever had on London Real. His predictions are almost uncannily true, and you can learn how to profit from his vision, from his expertise, and his understanding of economics. So go to londonreal.tv/Jim or click the link below. It's an excellent, excellent look on what's going to happen in the future and how you can position yourself to profit from that. Jim is one of the best in the business, one of my favorite guests on London Real, and he's very, very good at predicting the future and showing us all to profit from it. So click the link, and I hope you enjoy. I'm looking for partners, collaborators, colleagues who want to join forces with me around the globe and create real value, generational wealth, and financial freedom for everyone else around the world. Get involved in the cryptocurrency markets, get involved in the NFT markets. This is your moment. Life all comes down to a few moments. Don't let this pass. Now it's not too late. Next year's going to be too late. Ultimately, this is about freedom. That's the way I see it. This is about giving power back to the people and enabling billions of people worldwide to use the financial markets to improve their lives and those of their friends and their families and their communities. Honestly, I think it's a violation of human rights not to allow people basic access to financial services. Because right now people are being kept in the dark, they're being robbed of education, and it's a travesty. And so I'm looking for people that want to join me and be a part of this solution. And that all happens inside the DeFi Academy. The gains my students are making are absolutely amazing. Double, triple digit gains in the first month alone. That's amazing. This will change your life. Now is the time to get involved. I'm going to tell you exactly how my students in my academy made money in the last 30 days. I'm talking about real trading results. And let me just whet your appetite a little bit. Let me hit you with some numbers. I'm talking Brendan from New Zealand is up 68.77% on the month. Steve from Europe up 83%. Albert in Singapore up 169.9% on one single trade. I got Susan up 153% on her call options alone, also rocking 139% returns and 442% returns as well on individual trades. These are people that are changing their financial future in the last 30 days, but it's based on trading discipline. I've graduated over 500 students from inside my academy from over 54 countries around the world. It's amazing. When it comes to crypto, DeFi, and blockchain, we love this space. We truly believe it's the future. This is down to our core. It's authentic to what we're doing, and everybody can tell through the camera because you can't make this stuff up. If you're watching me now, wherever you are, I implore you, take 60 seconds right now and join my academy. Apply today. Now you've got a chance. Life all comes down to a few moments. What are you going to do? What's the choice that you're going to make?